Okay, so I showed you generally how the user interface in QGIS works, and now I'm going to create or add some data to my project. But first I have to create a project. Once I add data here, the thing that binds the data together and defines how it's going to look, those are the definitions that are included in the project. The data itself is separate and it comes in separate files. So first I go to project and I say save project. I already have my sample project, so I'll just recreate it. And now let's add some data. If I want to add vector data, I go to a folder on my computer. I know I have data there. These data are counties or legislative zones within Iowa in the US. So this is one way to do it, but I chose to have the browser panel on my active panels, so I can access files directly through here and choose to add this level of legislative zones. It's the same Iowa, but it's a different layer with different zones. I can, for instance, find out what this is. It's something. So go to those counties, bind together, and I can see polygons that represent combination of legislative zones. But when I look at the structure of my data, I now have two layers in my project. The top layer is the visible one. Currently it's this one. If I just drag this one on top of that, this is what I see. What is it? Again, it's North and Central Iowa, Storm Lake, Denison, and Cherokee region. So this is the structure of my data. I can, let's say, choose to use different style. I don't want it in red. I want it in green. So I choose green. I can apply it. Now it's green. I didn't change anything with my data. I only changed the way it looks. And this is the project definitions. I think that's enough for one clip.